Una sa lahat, no, ako si Police Colonel Mannan Caracas Muarip, graduate of the PNPA Kabalikat class of 1998, a native of Basilan province, a Muslim, but able to speak Visayan dialect and other dialect in the Philippines, and been in the different parts of the country, just like in the region, Police Regional Office 10, my first assignment, Police Regional Office 9, Police Regional Office 6, and in different directorates like the former DIPO Southern Luzon, and now it is an Area Police Command Southern Luzon. And lastly, my assignment also in the DPCR, the Directorate for Police Communication, Community Relations, and acted as the Chief Salam Police Center that deals with the Muslim communities on the preventing, countering violent extremism and terrorism. And I've also been a former operative on drugs in the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency before.